it to me. Oh, you're bring it to Mom.
Thanks. Thank you.
Come on back. Let's get the rest out. Give me another one. Go. Pull up. Pull straight up. Alright. Hand it to me. Thank you. Whoops, you gotta let go. You're not doing really good.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Let's get the rest. Still some in there. Now those are put up. Look, that's where we put this stuff. Here. Now, look. Let's get the rest. See it? Thank you. Let's get the top for it. The top. Now you get the cookie board. Too big. Okay. I'll put it up for you. You got the top.
Hey, baby. Thank you. Thank you.
All done.
Why don't you go give that to Dad? Go give that to Dad.
Come on. Come here.